Hey everybody, Dan here with MarineMax in Nisswa. We have a 2026 Sea Ray. This is a 230 SDX. This 23-foot bow rider is powered by a 250 Mercury V8. Got a ladder in the back here. As we come on the boat, you'll notice this cool sun pad lounge area with a walkway all the way in the boat with a cooler in the floor. Something unique about this layout is when you do the outboard, that actually opens up this whole area here for storage. So you got a big deep storage compartment. Captain, co-captain setup with bolster seats on each. Simrad touchscreen for GPS and mercury gauge control. This is actually the only 23-foot bow rider in the industry that has a head compartment. Little sunroof there too. Come up to the front, lots of room for entertaining, a fold table. Again, this is at MarineMax in Nisswa. Come check it out.